Imagine earning a substantial income in 2024 by creating and selling unique, AI-generated creative and illustrative design mousepads. This niche market is thriving, with many creators making well over $100,000 annually by tapping into the demand for personalized and aesthetically pleasing desk accessories. By leveraging AI tools like Midjourney and DALL-E, you can streamline the design process, ensuring high-quality and innovative products that appeal to a wide audience. Ready to explore how you can turn this creative endeavor into a profitable venture? Let's dive into the world of AI-driven mousepad design and unlock the secrets to financial success. Welcome to Day 20 of our 30-day series on earning money online. Today, we're exploring an exciting and highly creative niche: making money by creating and selling AI-generated design mousepads. If you've been following our series, you know we're committed to bringing you the best strategies for online income. Mousepads are a staple item for computer users, and the market for unique and artistic designs is growing rapidly. By harnessing AI, you can produce eye-catching mousepads quickly and efficiently, allowing you to stand out in this competitive space. Imagine making over $100,000 a year by combining your creativity with the power of AI. Stay tuned to learn how you can turn this innovative approach into a reality. Don't forget to hit share and subscribe so you won't miss any of our valuable insights. The first step in this journey is understanding the appeal and market potential of creative mousepads. These accessories offer a way for individuals to personalize their workspaces and add a touch of art to their everyday environment. Unique and high-quality designs can transform a simple mousepad into a statement piece, making them popular among gamers, professionals, and students alike. With the right approach and tools, you can create mousepads that resonate with this diverse and growing market. Leveraging AI in the creation of mousepad designs is a game-changer. AI tools like Midjourney and DALL-E can generate complex and aesthetically pleasing designs that are perfect for mousepads. These tools use machine learning algorithms to create unique patterns, illustrations, and other intricate designs that are both engaging and visually striking. By using AI, you can produce high-quality content quickly, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your business, such as marketing and distribution. To start earning money with AI-created mousepads, you need to identify your target market and understand their preferences. Conduct market research using AI tools like SEMrush and Google Trends to analyze popular themes, styles, and trends in mousepad designs. This research will help you create products that cater to current market demands and stand out from the competition. Consider exploring various themes such as nature, fantasy, geometric patterns, and abstract art to appeal to a wide range.
Once you've identified your target market and themes, the next step is to create your mousepad designs. Using AI tools, you can generate a variety of designs that fit your chosen themes. Experiment with different styles and patterns to create a diverse collection of mousepads that will keep customers engaged. Additionally, you can use AI to enhance and refine your designs, ensuring they are detailed and visually appealing. This process not only saves time, but also guarantees a high standard of quality that will attract buyers. Marketing your AI-designed mousepads effectively is crucial for success. Building a strong online presence through a website, social media, and online marketplaces will help you reach a wider audience. Use platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook to showcase your designs and engage with potential customers. Create visually appealing posts and share behind-the-scenes content to attract followers and build a community around your brand. Offering free samples or running promotions can generate interest and drive sales, especially when you're starting. One of the key advantages of selling AI-designed mousepads is the scalability of the business. Once you've created a set of designs, you can offer them in various formats and sizes, catering to different customer preferences. This scalability allows you to maximize your income potential by reaching different segments of the market. Additionally, you can explore other revenue streams, such as offering custom designs, collaborating with influencers, or expanding your product line to include other desk accessories. Selling your mouse pads on platforms like Amazon, Etsy, and Redbubble can significantly boost your visibility and sales. These platforms provide an easy-to-use interface for listing your products and managing transactions, making it convenient to reach a global audience. Optimize your listings with detailed descriptions, high-quality images, and relevant keywords to attract potential buyers. Joining these marketplaces can help you tap into an existing customer base, driving traffic and increasing your chances of success. To further enhance your earning potential, consider offering additional products and services related to mousepad designs. For example, you can create and sell themed desk accessory kits that include mouse pads, coasters, and laptop sleeves, offering customization options for corporate branding or personalized gifts can also attract a dedicated audience and provide an additional income stream. By diversifying your offerings, you can cater to a broader range of customer needs and increase your overall revenue. Participate in AI-focused webinars, join professional forums, and engage with the AI and design communities to stay informed and inspired. This proactive approach will ensure that your mouse pads remain relevant and appealing to your audience. The financial rewards of creating and selling AI-generated mouse pads can be significant. Many individuals in this field are already earning six-figure incomes, with some even surpassing $200,000 annually. This high earning potential, combined with the flexibility of working from anywhere, makes this venture an attractive career option. By mastering the art of creating and marketing mouse pads with the help of AI, you can build a profitable and fulfilling business that allows you to achieve financial independence. By mastering the art of creating engaging mouse pads, understanding market demands, and leveraging AI tools, you can build a successful business that generates substantial income. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting, the key to success lies in continuous learning, strategic planning, and effective marketing. Start your journey today and join the ranks of creators making over $100,000 annually. Remember to hit share and subscribe so you won't miss any valuable insights from our 30-day series. Thank you for joining us on day 20. Stay tuned for more.